What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully, everyone's having an amazing day. It's Thursday, February 20th, one day away from a payday Friday. But you know what tonight is? Softball time, baby. Doubleheader again, 6:30, 7:30. I can't wait. I need to make up for last week's performance. 1 for 10, I think I went. I couldn't hit the ball. I got into my own head. I was just so off bounced. It was embarrassing. I've never in my 7 years of playing softball down here had a day like that. But you know what? Tonight's another night. We're going to get back out there. We're going to do it again, and we are going to make sure that we don't go 1 for 10. I'm predicting 8 for 10. I'm going to score a bunch of runs. I'm ready, folks. I'm ready for it. But in this episode, we got a lot going on, a lot to talk about, a lot of major bullish news that is coming out now. And this all is in regards to President Trump stepping into office and him removing the corruption from the SEC. We have new exchanges, as I predicted. Not new exchanges, but we have old exchanges that are coming back to the US to allow fiat on-ramps, which is just going to help boost liquidity and send the price of these markets even higher. We got some bullish news coming out of MoonPay, a Ripple partner. SEC, they're getting dismantled. Lawsuits being dropped left and right. And XRP, it's on breakout alert. I got the chart. I got your support and resistance. The two key areas that you need to pay attention to and where I believe these crypto markets are going in the short term. So without further ado, sit back, relax. Let's jump into it. Bitcoin, 97,100, or excuse me, it changed, $97,235. It's currently up 0.84% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum still ranging, coming in at 2,740. It's currently up about 0.5%. Ethereum just cannot break out. XRP stuck at $2.68. It's up 2.47%. We had a massive close last night on XRP above 270, which flipped the daily chart over when we're looking and examining the 8, 21, and 50 moving averages, as both USDT and USDC have lost their dollar pegs yet again, coming in at 99 cents. Total cryptocurrency market cap, $3.19 trillion. Not too shabby, but as you can see, we're ranging right now, folks. We are in one massive range. This range will be coming to an end. If we look at the current markets, this is an exact repeat of 2017. 2017 was the last major bull run we had. Look who was the president, Donald Trump. This is lining up to be the 2017 bull run, but it's going to be the 2025 bull run. This is not over. We are going to see a ton of money flood into these markets. And what's different this time around is that we have institutional money and we have ETFs being opened up around the world. We have the Bitcoin ETF, we have XRP ETFs, which are about to get approval as the SEC is reviewing them right now. We heard about the news coming from Brazil with the ETF approval. Now we have the news coming out of Brazil with the BBRL, which is going to be a stable coin pegged to the Brazilian real, which is going to be on the XRP ledger. We're going to touch on that as well. Watch your gurus like this. Guess what? Just in, Binance US resumed its US deposits and withdrawals for the first time since 2003. This is big. Remember, Binance stopped all US deposits and withdrawal from the exchange. The only reason to use Binance was if you were moving crypto to crypto or swapping it. Binance US was a pretty large exchange in the US until the SEC came after Binance. They came after Binance US. Binance US took off all deposits. Their exchange wasn't producing much volume anymore. Expect that to be reversed now. I love Binance US. It was a super easy platform, super easy exchange, very liquid, cheap fees. I'm a fan of it. So they are now resuming deposits. So if you were looking to get crypto, Or if you were looking for an additional exit ramp, you should definitely have a Binance.us account set up. You should have as many exchanges as you can. Coinbase, Gemini, Binance, Kraken, Crypto.com, Uphold. They should all be set up, and you should be looking to increase your limits with those exchanges, every month, emailing them asking for a limit increase. Because, for example, you want to cash out, and each exchange has you at 10,000 per week or per day, whatever their limits are. We'll say 10,000 per day. Well, if you have 2 exchanges, you can only move 20K per day off the exchange. If you have 5 exchanges, you can now move 50K. And it's free to set these accounts up. MoonPay, Ripple partner. They just received very bullish news. I am interested to see what this is going to be. We know they have deep ties and deep connections in with Ripple and with XRP. This is going to be interesting. I have a feeling it's coming out today. Cointelegraph, SEC withdraws its appeal in the case of a crypto broker deal rules that would have given the agency jurisdiction over decentralized crypto protocols. Those are DEXs. Guess what? They're not touching them. They can't look at them. They cannot do anything with a DEX. This is bullish. And this is all because of Trump. If Trump wasn't in office and Gary Gensler was still at helm, I can guarantee you they would be looking to attack these DEXs, which would be absolutely awful for the cryptocurrency markets. A lot of people use DEXs. A lot of tokens will only launch on a DEX instead of a centralized exchange. A lot of money flows into these DEXs. Look what Uniswap does. Massive amounts of volume. Ondo has a total value locked of 600 million. And guess what? It keeps on rising. There's a lot of trust in Ondo and what they're doing with tokenized treasuries and tokenizing the markets. BlackRock is one of their partners. Wisdom Tree, 21 shares. And we know they have partnered with Ripple and the XRP ledger to tokenize these assets. Pay attention to Ondo. I was able to jump in Ondo around $1.07, $1.08. I believe that was a great entry. I looked at it around 50. I looked at it around 72. I still sat on my hands during that last mega correction we seen a couple of weeks ago. I seen this thing dip down and I went in on it. XRP chart, what are we looking at? Well, yesterday we had the breakout. We got the close we needed on the daily above 270. We closed around 273. We briefly touch 275, which is super bullish. You can see these little yellow dots on your screen. Those are your support and resistance right now. And as mentioned in the live stream, $2.82. That is the key number we are looking for to break out on the upside. 282 gets broken. We are going to mega send this thing back up into that 330 to 350 range. I don't think we're going to sit there for long. When 282 gets broken and we resend to the $3 range, I believe that whole zone between $3 and $4, I don't believe we're going to be sitting there for long. I believe this whole time frame of Chop City is coming to an end, and this thing will finally blast out and ultimately get to that target by the end of Q1, beginning of Q2 of $4 to $5 on XRP, which sets us up for later in the year to get to that double-digit XRP. On the lower side, what are we looking at right now? To hold as our support level, 266. If that gets broken, we'll be then looking at 262. If that gets broken, we have to come all the way down and all the way back down to here. We're looking at 250. We aren't out of the woodwork just yet. Pay attention. First line, 275, followed by 282. That is what we are paying attention to. Your targets are very simple for XRP. We are still looking to break out of this zone that we have been stuck in for some time. And that breakout is coming, especially with all this bullish and positive news. And this is going to kick it off. Brazil is launching a Brazilian real peg stablecoin on the XRP ledger. Do not forget the meetings that Ripple held with the higher government officials over in Brazil a couple of years ago, plus the central bankers. We know that Ripple has been running a pilot test in Palau for a couple of years now where they back the US dollar to XRP. This is a pilot test to show the rest of the world how it works, the liquidity, the transactions, the cost of it. Now, Brazil, if you don't think they looked at the test results, And that's something coming for you because they definitely looked at these test results of what was being done with the US dollar and the XRP as a backing because BBRL stablecoin is coming out and they are anticipating that 30% of the Brazilian stablecoin market is going to be captured here by the end of 2025. That's within 10 months, folks. They're going to capture 30% of the stablecoin market. The market impact on this, very simple. This is going to help drive financial monetization, improve cross-border payments, and enhance liquidity. The rocks, the snowball effect, it is all starting to fall into place. Real utility, real adoption of the XRP ledger, of XRP. Remember, if it runs on the ledger, it uses XRP. We have yet to enter a bull run, a bull season where not only did we have ETFs, not only did we have institutional money, but we are now getting real world adoption and utilization of these blockchains and their underlying crypto assets. This is what we want to see. This is real world adoption and real world money, not speculation money, that is going to be entering the crypto space. The sky is the limit. XRP breakout. Pay attention to those numbers. I'm going to leave it like that. Look, wash your damn hands. Be nice and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.